Hello, good people. How are you all? Let's talk about a different crypto site, that is Revit Finance. Revit Finance is a leveraged yield farming protocol based on Binance Smart Chain, released by Revit Finance Lab. It supports user participating in liquidity farming through overlending plus leverage to get more revenue. When the user has insufficient funds but wants to participate in decentralized finance liquidity farming, Revit Finance can provide up to 10x the leverage to help users obtain the maximum revenue per unit time. At the same time, provide a borrowing pool for users who prefer stable returns to earn profits. Let's know what is the strength and vision of Revit Finance. Revit Finance fully draws on and adopts the advantage of the project in the market, uses the over-leveraged yield farming products with the advantage of Alpaca Finance and Bejar Finance, creatively combines the mechanism of algorithm stablecoin to empower the Revit token. In the whole economic ecology of Revit Finance, Revit token, which is endowed with more application scenarios, not only represent the governance rights and interest of the leveraged yield farming protocol, but also the shareholder rights and interest token of algorithm stablecoin of Revit USD. Whenever Revit USD is inflationary, the members who pledge Revit token to the vote room will share the additional Revit USD as dividends to share the benefits of ecological growth. Revit Finance believes that the levered yield farming platform will be the next killer application in the field of decentralized finance after the decentralized exchange and lending platform. It also believes that algorithm stablecoin is the last holy grail in the field of decentralized finance. They are and will be the most important infrastructure in the decentralized finance world. Revit Finance vision is to become the federal rebirth of the decentralized finance world, based on the principle of equal opportunity and commercial sustainability, and to provide appropriate and effective financial services at affordable cost for people of all social strata and groups who need financial services. Revit Finance is not a simple leveraged yield farming platform or algorithmic stablecoin system. It will be a decentralized and inclusive financial services infrastructure with the ability of continuous hematopoiesis and based on blockchain technology. Compared to being the same role as the federal, what Revit Finance expects goes well beyond the federal's role in the world economy. Join Revit Finance and start to income money now. Thank you everyone.